Well, let's show you these Royal Worcester Royal Garden designed dessert or salad plates. These are just over, just around, let me just get the exact measurements, 8 inches, just fraction under 8-inch rim diameter. Plain rims with gilt. This is the dot and dash version, as you can see, with the 3 dots breaking up the continuous, very thick gilt line on the central portion of the flat section of the dessert plate. Beautiful pink and white rose blossom, old-fashioned English roses repeated all around the rims. The gilt on these is in very fine condition. It's a very thick gilt decoration that Royal Worcester have applied onto these. Not particularly old. I mean, they're copyright 1969, so these are from the 1970s and 1980s. Last quarter of the 20th century production of Royal Garden, and there are the matching Royal Worcester crown and orb 51 marks with Royal Garden nicely demarcated. We've got a stack of 6 of these going on sale. They're being sold individually for the replacement market. I think they're going to prove very popular because they weren't made in particular large volumes, and these are in very fine condition, as you can see from the glaze reflection on the surface of this plate. Very, very clean, considering these are from the 70s and 80s. Really nice condition. And they were expensive pieces of Royal Worcester bone china when they were sold initially, so they do retain some of that value even on the replacement and second-hand market. Description link below will take you through to the website listing. Follow that and all the details, measurements, pricings and everything will be available for you to view. Thanks for watching.